What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We up in the garage, man. It's Sunday. We got Sunday fun day in some sort of way. We're about to try to get this paint knocked down real quick right here. We're about to go ahead and do that, and then we got to do that, take that to LA. Rim shop closed today. I think that's really it. That's the only thing we really got on our agenda. Powder coated parts right here. As y'all seen from the last video, if you didn't tune into it, I'm gonna show you. We got both of the crash bars for our 2019 first place and our second place 2015 frame over there. We got all of our engine pieces right here, all the chrome stuff from the trays to the push rods, and everything of that sort. I'm about to finish taking off these last pieces. I gotta powder coat the gas tank console, the bag latches, and then the bag latch, and then these right here. So we want to get all that stuff blacked out because this paint is about to be nice and clean and mean. I was trying to really see what color I was going to do because I was thinking about doing the second color. But I'm like, let me figure it out and see how I'm going to go about it. But I'm honestly loving it. You really can't see too much, man. But this thing is wet. I'm telling y'all, dude. I'm loving it. This is second place. That's what's so crazy. I see first place right there looking good. We're going to have that motor real soon. If not this week, then next week. I'm telling you. This thing is coming together, y'all. We're about to have this thing powder coated up. I'm not tripping on this. Come about another shifter. This one is bent. But we got it looking good, man. I'm telling y'all. I cannot wait. The time is now. We got the 10 spots per SLIDN HIDN hat. Today only is the last day. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while you can, man. Today is the day. It's about to be greatness. I even found these legs in the backyard. I just literally went to Harley trying to buy some. But now I think I'm going to go back to Harley and buy these tubes and then swap them out. Because this part should be good. The spring and everything is above. I'm not sure. I think the other leg to the other, this one bent. You can see it. I think the other leg to that one was demolished. That's the one that actually came on this bike. And I brought these complete, but I can't find a complete set for this bike. So I'm going to go ahead and use those and buy the missing pieces from Harley that's broken and go from there. But like I said, we're about to go ahead and disassemble these bags, this gas tank, and this rear fender. Like I said, for the front fender, I'm going to probably get a stock one. I may order a wraparound. I'm going to see within like the next few hours, but y'all see what's going on. We got everything on the way, man. Like I said, we got the custom rims on this joint. I'm not sure what set of wheels I'm going to put on here. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to see because I need them things to be on hand this week so we can have this thing fully complete. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're about to get this working real quick and get on the road. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got this thing all the way bust down, taken apart. Like I said before, I got to get me another gas tank. I forgot that gas tank got that huge dent in the front, so I'm gonna get one of those in LA with a front fender if I don't order me one online. But besides that, we got the inner outer fender taken apart. We got the backs completely stripped with everything off, all the hardware. Excuse me. We got the rear fender taken apart. So everything is about to get dropped off straight to the paint, man. We're about to get this thing on the way. Once again, this is the paint set for our 2015 ROADGLIDE. We're giving away right here for second place. Like I said before, we're gonna have the motor on this week. I just didn't want to rush it and do it the same way that I always do. So that's why I took everything apart. I took the trays off, the whole push rod assembly up over here. So all that chrome stuff is going to get powder coated and look amazing in no time. We got all this stuff completely stripped, so stay tuned. We're gonna get everything put back on. I already went to Harley yesterday and brought all the engine gaskets over there in the bag. I'll show y'all. Got everything over here in the bag. Everything right here and below is for our 2019 first place bike. These are all the engine components and the primary stuff. This all our other parts we got powder coated. I got wrapped in the plastic so they don't get damaged or anything, but everything is clean. I got to get these two pieces right here still hit, but for our 2015, everything up here is bagged up and labeled, looking good. We got our legs, primary, our rear support. This bike is about to look amazing, I'm telling y'all. We got everything wrapped up so it can stay nice and fresh. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. These two bikes are about to look so good. I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all get in to win it. Like I said, today only, we got the last day to enter the win and get you 10 spots for each slide, not hide and cap. Like I said, man, we got first place, second place, and first place come with the 2015 Chevy Silverado. So understand that you're getting the truck and the bike, the whole combo, man. I'm telling you, we got the custom rims for this bike that's going on this joint. I'll put a picture up. Front 23 with the rear 18. On this joint, we're going to most likely end up doing a 21 with the rear 18. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait to see, man. I'm telling y'all, this color goes crazy. It's so wild. Like, this thing looks amazing. But we got a few pieces off of these bags and everything. We got a powder coat too up here. I got the gas tank console. I had to strip that thing off so we can get this thing completely powder coated. We got these right here, the bag latches. And then we got the other bag latches right here. So all this stuff is about to look clean, man. I'm telling y'all, a lot of this stuff people don't like to do because it's time consuming. But at the end of the day, I cannot wait to see the finishing product. And I'm gonna keep saying it, man. Big shout out to my winner in Sacramento, bro. I'm telling you, you got me over here feeling good with everything organized and labeled. There ain't gonna be no confusion because I'm telling y'all, I done had so many bikes I done disassembled and put together. Like, that's why I got these containers right here full of bolts. Like, all the washers and the nuts, all the Allens, then all the 6-point bolts. Everything in there all organized with the other containers. So I'm telling you, that literally only helped me strengthen my game. Like I said, I added me some more mats all over here. So the big thing about this that I love, I just think about all these marks and oil drops. I'd rather have it on these mats than on the actual floor. So that way this thing can stay clean. But besides that, man, we getting it in working. We about to go ahead and put all this in the truck, load it up, slide to LA, and get this thing to the paint shop. So stay tuned for that. I may have it on this video. I may not. I'm honestly not sure yet, but like I was saying, Monday, we're going straight to the powder coat, dropping those parts off, getting all that loaded. We're going to go to the rim shop. We're going to go back to Antonio because I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to take them apart to get the exact paint code. So stay tuned, man. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be lit, man. I cannot wait. Like I said, today is the last day to enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway. 10 entries per sliding not hiding cap, man. I'm telling you, if you want to enter the win, if you haven't done it already, all you got to do is go in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. Got the joints back here looking good. I'm telling y'all, just stay tuned for this week. Everything is going to transform and look amazing in no time. I'm telling y'all, I got so much faith in the process. I just can't wait to see it. I already see it in my head. I just can't wait to see it in real life. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see what's going on though, man. These things is looking amazing. I cannot wait. But like I said, we are giving these away from me to y'all. Long as you enter the win, you are locked and loaded. Like I said, if you cop any of the red Kicks by Dre caps, any of the white sliding keychains, any of the blue Built by Dre keychains, any of the black slide not hiding keychains, any of the blue or red slide not hiding caps, or a slide not hiding patch. If you got any of that merch, if you ordered it, you got you an entry. Just understand that. Once we sell out, I'm going to go ahead and make the list. I already been making it, but I'm just getting everything going because it's really time consuming. So I'm going to get everybody's name on there. Once I sell out, y'all going to have all y'all names and numbers, so it's not going to be nothing to think about. So understand that. I know some people still haven't received their merch, and like I said, I'm still waiting on everything to arrive. I got about 75% of the merch all sent out from everything. I just got a few keychains left. Then I got the slide not hiding caps and the patches, but everything should be sent out within the next week, man. So understand that we are working every day trying to get to the next level and putting in everything we got to do. I'm telling y'all, every day I'm working on and off the camera. That's the main thing that people don't be understanding. I do stuff on camera when I be trying to get it in like this, but it's still a lot much more I do off the camera because I don't be feeling like pulling out the camera doing that everything because I do it every day consistently. So understand that, man. We getting it in at all times, making it happen. That's why we so amped up every day going for it, because I know it's real. I know I can have it, and y'all can have it too. That's why we giving back, giving them away straight from me to y'all. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while you can, because I'm telling you, we're about to be going live, and everybody's favorite line is, man, the giveaway over, man. I wish I could have got in like with the Sacramento bike. Y'all got the opportunity right now, and I know the bike's not complete, but y'all got to understand, this is the process, and once it's done, it's done. So understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding.